gagawin, Doc? Yung ating
Nanic RF arms.
Ayan,
So we
lifting
would like
arms.
to lift and remove some stubborn fats here, no?
Eto na nga. So, kailangan tayong dumapa, syempre, dahil to target yung varicose natin sa likod. Hindi ka pwedeng lumabas ng bahay, di ba, Doc? Kasi nga, kailangan pag-subsiding mo muna dahil baka mahula o baka magkapasa-pasa.
Hi, Doc! Hi, Gladys! Hello!
So, ano gagawin natin doon?
So, of course, we'll be doing your favorite treatment, the Nanic RF treatment. So, we'll start for the face. Okay, so of course, we'll be using the serums to lift, to address the lines, okay, and then to make the pores smaller. Okay, and of course, we'll try to again slim down this arm area. So, because the Nanic RF can also work for slimming, okay, and for firming.
Pero, ang importante is non-invasive treatments lahat ito. Non-surgical. So, let's go, Doc.
Yeah, let's go.
So, I'm ready for the treatment. Ayan, kailangan syempre away from the face, yung ating hair. And, ang una natin gagawin, Doc, yung ating
Nanic RF arms.
Ayan,
So we
lifting
would like
arms.
to lift and remove some stubborn fats here, no? So we can see medyo loose siya, no? So kailangan natin medyo i-lift up para maging sexy arms.
Ayan, and then, tsaka yung, di ba usually mga mommies, yun yung problema natin, di ba? And because I don't really lift weights, di ba, that much. Para mga lightweight lang yung mga dumbbells and all. So, kailangan talaga may treatment tayo na ganito na non-invasive. No surgery needed. Pero kailangan syempre mini-maintain natin. Okay, let's go. Start na tayo. Pero, makalaro muna sa inyo si Jackie. Hi, Jack.
Hello
Ayan,
po.
so, si Ate Jack siya ang laging gumagawa dito sa akin. And also yung RF. Kapag when I visit Clinic Aesthetic. So, look for Jack. And also, sino ba yung mga kasama natin dito?
Si Miss Tina po, and then
Yeah,
si Miss Riza.
Yan. So, tatlo sila usually. Pero si Jack ang laging naka-assign sa akin. Yan. Na-assign ni Doc. So, anong nilalagay natin ngayon?
Nanic Flaxseed Serum for skin firming.
Flaxseed serum for firming.
Firming, tightening, sculpting.
So, meron talagang serum pala for
Yes. That's what makes the Nanic RF unique. We have our own different serums. It's not like, you know, the other RF. They only use the gel for gliding, but with us, you see it's a cream, no? It's a serum. Actually, not cream, but it's a serum.
So, ito yung probe na, Doc, na natawag.
It's a body probe. Para siyang maliit na
Maliit na plancha. Na, ayan, feel ko meron siyang heat. Pero, hindi siya painful kasi yung tamang-tama na naman yung heat niya, no? Para tinutunaw niya yung mga fats dito sa ating braso. Ayan.
that not even any exercise alone. As we age, it's really hard to burn the fats out.
Yes, so
Kaya we need the aid of devices like this, technologies like this, to do the work.
syempre, it helps also that we're active, di ba? Physically active. And yung kahit papano, yung hindi nyo namamalayan na nakakapag-lift na nga kayo ng mga light weights, di ba? Like, may, sabihin mo, may iuusog ka lang na konting lamesa dyan, ganyan. Eh, hindi na siguro kailangan humingi ng tulong kung hindi naman ganun kabigat yan. Parang nag-weights na rin tayo nun. Ayan. So, as you can see, ganyan lang siya. Pwede kang actually nag-multitask. Minsan, pag ginagawa sa akin ni Jack yan, I use my phone, Doc. So, pwede naman yun, di ba? And you can watch a movie sa phone mo, ganyan, kung naiinip ka. Or, pinakamaganda, matulog ka, di ba, Doc?
Yes, which is yun yung usually not only with glass but with other patients. Usually they're here, they feel so relaxed. It's so relaxing so they fall asleep.
ang maganda doon, no downtime. Ibig sabihin, kung sa ibang treatment, hindi ka pwedeng lumabas ng bahay, di ba, Dok? Kasi nga, kailangan pag-subsiding mo muna dahil baka mamula o baka magkapasa-pasa. Ay, dito po sa Nanic RF, hindi. Hindi, walang ganun. So, you can do your chores after you can go to work.
Yeah, there's no downtime.
Yes. Done with the both arms, syempre, with our Nanic RF. So, Doc, ano?
See?
So, yung kung kanina, medyo, ano pa siya, pero ngayon,
Ano mo na, hindi na ganun ka, matigas na. Kanina it was soft no? So ngayon it's firm. See, that's how fast it is. One
so
session
instant, opo, na
However, of course, if you want to optimize the result, of course, you can come again for at least more sessions. Pero
Yes.
in one session, no? Talagang nag-tighten na siya, Hindi ko na
Yung
pinch masyado kasi kanina it was
firm, yes.
very loose. No? Ngayon it's tighter. See?
Okay. Next, we'll do the yung to eliminate varicose veins. Kasi medyo, dahil lagi ako naka-heels, Doc, so isa yan sa talagang problema ko. Lagi ako syempre medyo pagod yung legs natin. So, lumabas syempre yung varicose. Pero dahil takot nga rin po ako, again, ayoko ng injection, ayoko ng surgery. Actually, meron noon, di ba, Doc?
These are the stubborn wrinkle, dimple-like appearance
Yes, we just finished. Wow! So, kita nyo, so yun o, lift yung, kanina medyo, siya, pero because of the Nanic RF, ayan, kaya instantly, nag-help siya na mag-lift and also at the same time, ay makontour ulit lalo yung face natin, yung booth. And I feel so refreshed. Siyempre, dun sa nilagay na Nanic anti-aging mask and the Nanic RF treatment. And also, siyempre, nakita nyo naman kanina, pati yung arms and for the varicose veins. So, lahat non-surgical and non-invasive treatments only here at Clinic Aesthetic. Ayan, Doc, thank you. Ayan.
Yeah, so you enjoyed the treatment?
Yes, I felt na-rejuvenate na naman, syempre, yung aking skin.
Yes.
And the most important thing, ang pinakagusto ko talaga when I'm here at Clinic Aesthetic, wala nang any pain, di ba? And at the same time, non-invasive talaga yung treatment sa akin. And instant,
in one session, you would notice, when we started from the left side, comparing to the untreated side, you saw that it lifted.
Yes, it lifted, and at the same time, yun nga, hindi kailangan ng any surgery, di ba? Well, syempre, kanya-kanya talaga tayo ng preference. Pero ako kasi medyo, alam ni Doc yan medyo takot ako sa
scared.
Yes, opo. Pero that's why I just maintain what I have. Sabi nga ni Doc, kung ano yung existing, like yung skin, di ba po, na importante, healthy yung skin natin.
Skin, and actually, here we always have this philosophy of the natural way of enhancing one's beauty.
Yes.
So we want it natural looking, we don't want it to look stiff. So we have the Nanic treatment to do that.
At syempre, we cannot avoid naman aging, no? But what's important, we age gracefully, di ba, Doc?
Yeah, aging gracefully.
Yes, at yun po ang dito ko na-achieve kumbaga dito sa Clinic Aesthetic. Once again, thank you, Doc!